Hello, my little friends. Welcome to our ABC adventure. Today, we will walk through this magical forest and find something special for each letter of the alphabet. Are you ready? Let's go! A is for ant, so tiny and small. N is for bird, who sings to us all. T is for cat, so fluffy and sweet. D is for deer with fast little feet. E is for egg in a nest up high. F is for frog, who jumps so high. G is for grass, so green and bright. H is for hedgehog, curled up tight. I is for inchworm, inching along. J is for jay with a beautiful song. K is for kite, flying so high. L is for ladybug, spotted and shy. M is for mushroom under the tree. N is for nest, where birds like to branch. O is for owl, wise and bright. P is for pine cone, rough but light. Q is for quail, so quick and spy. R is for river, flowing nearby. S is for squirrel, so fast and small. T is for tree, standing so tall. U is for umbrella, leaf big and wide. E is for vines, where little birds hide. Green vines climb up a wall. W is for waterfall, splashing so free. We learned our ABCs, what a wonderful sight. Wow! You did an amazing job learning the alphabet with me. Give yourself a big round of applause. Did you have fun? I sure did. Next time, we will go on another adventure. Don't forget to come back and join me. See you soon, my friends.